In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy websites and funnels in GoHighLevel. This is an essential process if you're looking to duplicate your successful website layouts and funnels with ease, ensuring you can quickly roll out new projects or client sites using proven templates. Let's dive straight in. First off, you'll need to head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your main control center, the starting point for all of your activities on GoHighLevel. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Sub-Accounts. This is where you can manage different clients or different projects within your GoHighLevel account. Click on Sub-Accounts and you'll be presented with a list of the accounts you can work with. Next, you'll notice a set of icons. You need to click on the third icon in the row. This specific icon gives you more management options for each of the sub-accounts. Once you have clicked on it, the next step is to select Manage Client. This option allows you to get into the nitty-gritty details and settings of each client's account, where you can make further adjustments necessary for copying funnels and websites. Within the Manage Client area, you'll see a variety of new options. You'll want to click on Actions. This will bring up further drop-down options directly related to tasks you may need to execute on this particular account. One of those, importantly, is Load Snapshot. Clicking on Load Snapshot allows you to work with pre-saved states or templates of a website or funnel. After this, go ahead and select Choose a Snapshot. This is where you will choose which particular template or snapshot you want to work with. For example, if you're focusing on the affiliate marketing agency vertical, you'll want to choose that specific snapshot. Selecting the right snapshot is key, as it contains the template and settings specific to the type of website or funnel you are aiming to recreate. Once your snapshot is chosen, you'll click on Proceed to continue with the process. It's here that you may encounter the option to skip and select. If you encounter it, just hit Skip and Select, then Proceed again. At this point, you're finalizing the settings and confirming that you indeed want this snapshot to be loaded. The next step involves clicking on Select, where you're essentially giving the go-ahead for this process to proceed and finalize. After clicking on Select, simply hit Proceed one last time to complete the setup. With these simple steps, you will have successfully copied over websites and funnels within GoHighLevel, making it an efficient way to upscale your digital marketing projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy websites and funnels. This process will save you loads of time and help maintain consistency across your client projects or business ventures. Remember, mastering these steps allows for easier replication and smoother operations in your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and happy funnel building!